Hi there. So today in this video we are going to talk about status parameters in WP query. So when this parameter we can use. So if we want to get a result based on their status, at that time we can use this parameter into the WP query. And if you don't know what does it mean by status, so in the back end, if we go into any post type, let's say I'm gonna go to post. So you see this published, draft and private. These are the status of the post. If you can quick edit, see the field over here, which can be one of this: published, pending review or draft. And if you go to the edit post, it will be right over here. Yeah, so over here, if you want to change the status of the post, you can change it from here. So basically, yeah, post is the status. Status is the actual status of any post or post type in the WordPress. So now let's try to fetch the result based on the status. So we are going to continue adding parameters in this file, allbooks.php, and it's all about arguments. And if you directly come to this video, I would suggest start this from the beginning of the playlist, so that you know how all this works. And if you already know how this WP query loop works, then yeah, you can continue watching on this. So I'm gonna remove this post type, because by default, if we don't pass any post type, it will bring this post type post. So let's refresh this, and yeah, we have post over here. Now let's try to get the draft one. So what we are going to do is we will pass a parameter called status, and we will add a value draft. Yeah, if you are not sure what to use over here, just go to that particular tab and see the post status equal to whatever it is, just put it over here. So in this case, I'm gonna bring draft one. So let's try to refresh this. Okay, it did not work. Why? Oh, I used wrong. Sorry about that. So yeah, the parameter is post status, not only status. So now if we refresh this, yeah, we can see that it displays status, which is draft. Now let's go to all again, and let me make this as a pending review. So for pending, what do we use? So you can either inspect this and see what value passing over here. So it is pending, so I'm gonna copy that pending and I will add it over here, and now refresh it. So as you can see, post 534 is displaying because it is only in the pending status. One more trick or way to identify what post status you want to add over here is from the database. So I'm going to open PHP myadmin. I'm going to open posts table. And in this post table, we have a column called post status. So all the status are being stored in this column only. So if you want to see what other post statuses are there, then we can use query like this. So this much post statuses are there on the database. So if let's try to bring the hidden one, and let's see what we get. So yeah, there are some posts in the database with the hidden status. So let's try to check if we are getting correct result or not. So I will search post status equal to hidden. And we are getting this wall post. And we are getting some auto draft as well. 965. Let's see if it is correct. So this is auto draft, and when we pass hidden, it brings the auto draft as well in the result. So I'm not sure why, because I think that's the correct WordPress way. I'm not sure, but let's try to use trash one. No result found because nothing is in trash. So let me make a post into a trash. So now it should give post 533 into this result. Let's see. Yep. So yeah, that's how this post status parameter works, and you can use with it any post type. So yeah, this is how it works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.